1. Oregon Backyard Buildings is an authorized dealer for Old Hickory sheds. 2. So whether you're looking for a new storage barn, a tool shed, or any other building for the yard, they can help. 3. You can get in touch to discuss your needs and they'll have an option to suit you. 4. A full range of building options is available on the company website and includes utility sheds, barns and lofted barns. 5. One of the main benefits of buying a shed from Oregon Backyard Builders is the build quality. 6. Installing a premium quality shed in the yard offers a range of benefits for customers. 7. Contact us at https://oregonbackyardbuildings.com/